how to check messages on Yelp app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to follow up a reservation or a business reply, here is how to quickly check your messages on the Yelp app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now from here you simply have to scroll down and tap on messages, and here you'll find any communication from businesses like replies, confirmation or special offers. So here you can just tap on any messages to open it, and you can read the full conversation or even reply directly if needed. And that's it. That's how you can check your messages on the Yelp app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.